Let me tell you, honey, if you guys are looking for some new treats, sweets that's gonna have you move your feet, head on down to Dollar Tree. They have the deals for real. Like this anti-stress by Bella. This is Spa Bella Memory Foam Therapy Eye Pillow. Honey, $1.25. Get into it, girl. Now, Dollar Tree also have this Dermasil Labs Pharmaceutical Research Oatmeal Milk Toner, Oatmeal and Snow Mushrooms. This is $1.25. Honey, Dollar Tree is out here showing out. They also have this clear complexion bar, aloe vera, oat kernel flour, and pumice. Deeply cleans pores, gently vegan formula. You said you wanted new. Honey, have you guys seen this? So this is the Giovanni blush with the little brush. Okay, get into this. This is $1.25. This is so cute. Look at the packaging. Absolutely love this. So it appears that they have about 2 different colors. This is fancy, honey. Dollar Tree is out here styling. And honey, I'm out here profiling. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Brookstone. Now, honey, if you guys are looking for a name brand, this is where it's at. Salon grade 2-pack rounded tip scissors. You get 2 of these for $1.25. My loves, have you guys seen this? Okay, so this is the cleaning palette. So you could clean your makeup brushes. Get into this. Where you gonna find a makeup brush cleaner for $1.25? Honey, I definitely wait. Nowhere but Dollar Tree. Absolutely love it. Now, doll faces, when you guys come to Dollar Tree, if you definitely on the lookout for dupes or name brands, when it comes to name brands, it would be something like this. When you see it in a packaging like this is definitely a name brand. This is Sally Hansen. Now, this is a gel. Right there. Sally Hansen. This is a gel nail polish, and the only color they have at this location is white, $1.25. I heard that you was looking for something that, normally is pricey in the stores, but when you come to Dollar Tree, it's like $1.25. Honey, is this. This is the Eco. The toothbrush head that you can remove. It comes with 2 toothbrush heads. This is $1.25. You want to know how much they sell this at Walmart? They sell this for $10. Oh yes, honey, $10. Now at this Dollar Tree, they had it at a different color. They had a purple one, but right now they only have the yellow. Honey, I take that. My loves, don't you dare sleep on the body washes, okay? Don't you sleep on them, like the shower gel Amber Rogue, honey, top notch from Power Stick. Absolutely divine, $1.25. This one right here, this one takes the cake every time. This is the strawberry and cream scented body wash from Personal Care. When I tell you this smells absolutely divine, it smells so good, $1.25. But hold on, honey, they also have the sweet pineapple and melon scented body wash, $1.25. Sugar key lime scented, ooh, child, you're gonna be in heaven. Now, I don't know why Dollar Tree is still playing with the girls with these 3-strand extensions right here. Honey, who is this for? I don't even know why they still carrying this. Now, this is a 3 count. This is $1.25. Who is that for? A comb that is absolutely amazing, especially if you have really thick hair. It would be definitely the volumizing comb for all hair types. I absolutely love this comb. This is $1.25. If you guys are looking for a tasty treat, it's definitely the strawberry shortcake rolls ice cream. But honey, Little Debbie, little. You ain't gonna be Little Debbie if you eat enough of these. They also has the Cosmic Brownies ice cream. Ooh, child, that tastes so good. But my favorite, you guys already know, is the strawberry shortcake. Now, Dollar Tree right now, they have the fall harvest out, and do understand that these are $1.75 now, but I absolutely love the bright, vibrant colors. These are absolutely gorgeous. Let me know if you guys normally get these harvest flowers over here. Absolutely. Look at this, the little daisy. This is cute. Now, Dollar Tree also have all day back to school. Hey, my love. So I wanted to insert this clip right here because the composition notebooks. Now, I am all for a still deal trail for real. But the composition notebooks that they have at Dollar Tree is $1.25 for one. If you were to go to Walmart, you can get a composition notebook for 58 cents, I believe. And then you can get a 6-pack for $2.24. So I just wanted to insert that in because some items that Dollar Tree has, I know this is a Dollar Tree haul, but some items that Dollar Tree has is other places where as though you can get some items that are a little more inexpensive, especially since school is coming up. My children, they start school in September. I know a lot of you guys' children start school in August. So just FYI. Items out already, the composition notebooks, the binder pouches. These are cute. These are $1.25. The journals, more binder pouches, the pencil boxes. If you guys are looking for more fall decor, they definitely have it. The maple oak garland. These are $1.50, I believe. And then they also have the little stakes over here, the scarecrow. These are $1.50. Now, I absolutely love these garden stakes. These are $1.50. I don't know why that one says $1.25, but honey, if you see the red sticker, that's an indication that the price going up. These maple oak garland, the red ones, absolutely love this. And then they also have the orange and yellow ones. This is gorgeous. They have the welcome signs over here. Bless our home. Really, really cute. 4 signs. Absolutely love this. Now, one of the reasons I absolutely love coming to this Dollar Tree. Now, I love all the Dollar Trees that I go to, but when it comes to like party themed, this Dollar Tree, they definitely has it. Like they have the jungle party animal mask. These are so cute. You get 8 of these for $1.25. They also have the 4 badges. Look at this. If you trying to do like a jungle theme party, honey, Dollar Tree definitely got you. They got the table covers, they got the masks, the badges. They also have like the princess theme as well, the banners, the inflatable confetti poppers. These are so cute. $1.25. More confetti. They also have these banners over here. If you guys are looking for wall decor, just happy birthday, they have it. Hanging decorations, they also have it. Absolutely love this.
They also have these candles that is $1.25.
I like that one. That gold one is nice.
They also have this happy birthday one.
Oh, that's cute.
And this other one that's 6 is $1.25. They also got these cups, happy birthday.
Those are paper plates.
Paper plates. They also got this princess one.
Oh, this is nice. Once upon a time, princess theme. You get 10 plates for $1.25. That is cute. These gold plates. You get 10 of these as well for $1.25. They also have these napkins. These are cute. 16 for $1.25. So, honey, if you want to do gold, you know I'm a gold girl. Decked out, okay? I ain't wearing my fancy gold today, but that's neither here nor there.
They also have this king hat or queen, and it's $1.25.
How many you get? All right, you get 5 crowns for $1.25.
Park.
All right, family, let me know what was your favorite items. Mine's definitely was the Giovanni, the blush set that they had with the 2 shades and also the brush. It was so cute, especially, you know, for $1.25. That's a steal deal, like holy fail. Absolutely amazing. Make sure you guys are rocking out, believing in yourselves, keep going, keep growing. Until next time, peace.